How to log in to Delta Airlines employee portal. Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to log into Airlines employee portal. So the first thing you can do is open up your web browser and search for Delta Air employees login. Go to this URL deltanet.delta.com for employees. Now, once you tap on it, you'll get directly over to the login screen. So all you have to do here is enter your Delta login ID or your PPR. Once you enter that, provide your password, and if you want to view your password, press this little eye icon to view your password. Then you can just go ahead and click on the sign in button. And if you are having trouble signing in or if you've forgotten password, tap on the button down below. Enter your Delta login or PPR ID and send a validation request. Now, once you get the code, just verify the code and recover your account. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.